हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल द स्टूडेंट्स डायरी। आप सबको मेरा चैनल को स्वागत है। आज हम देखने वाले और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग क्विज। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद करंट अफेयर्स एंड क्विज। फर्स्ट वन, द डे ऑफ रिमेम्बरेंस फॉर ऑल विक्टिम्स ऑफ chemical warfare is observed every year on dash dash. Your option is 30th November, 29 April, 28 March and 1 December. And the right answer is 30th December. Let us see. Yeah, the answer is right. You can pause the videos and you can find for the answers. Remember, the remembrance for victim of chemical warfare is celebrated on 30th November. Next, the 7th edition of India International Science Festival, in short form IISF, is scheduled to be held in which state? Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat. So the right option is Goa. Okay, so the 7th edition of Indian International Science Festival is held in Goa. Remember this, very important. Next one, who has become the first Indian squash player to win the Malaysian Open Championship? Aditya Jagtap, Vikram Malhotra, Ritvik Bhattacharya and Saurabh Ghosal. The right option is option D, that is Saurabh Ghosal. Now, next one, let us see. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Twitter? Twitter का नया CEO कौन है? माइकल एस डेल, पराग अग्रवाल, अरविंद कृष्णा और सफ्रा कैस. So the right option is option number B, that is Parag Agrawal. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBIC? Dinesh Paliwal or Parag Agrawal, Vivek Johri or Anand Mahindra? So the right option is option number C, that is Vivek Johri. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel in order to get such updates. Okay, I will be providing all the quizzes on vocabulary, the quizzes on current affairs and so on, and that will be very helpful for you to crack any government job and to be good at GK. Now, next one, we have a book titled Indian Innings, the journey of Indian cricket from 1947, authored by. Okay, so who is the person who has authored a book named Indian Innings, and there he has placed all the innings that started from 1947. Who is that? The first option, I.S. Memon, Chetan Bhagat, Arundhati Roy and Kapil Dev. And the right answer is option number 1, that is I.S. Memon. Okay, do you get me? Next one, we have RBI has given its approval to Life Insurance Corporation, that is LIC, to raise its stake in private lender Kotak Mahindra Bank to dash percentage, 7.92%, 9.99, 8.50 or 7.66. And the right option is option number B. Yeah, correct. So अगर आप चैनल को नए आए, जरूरी सब्सक्राइब करना. ओके, ऐसे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग things we will be looking forward. So in order to not miss all these things, please subscribe the channel. Next one, we have, which of the following rivers has its origin in the Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan? So origin in Aravalli Hills, where? In Rajasthan. So the options are Sabarmati, Mahanadi, Chambla and Godavari. So the right option is option number A, that is called Sabarmati. Next one, where is the headquarters of World Anti-Doping Agency located? WAD, World Anti-Doping Agency. It is in Paris, France, Montreal, Canada, or Brussels, Belgium, or Tokyo, Japan. So the right option is option number B, Montreal, Canada. Yeah, right. Next one. Which of the following is the largest part of the human brain? Human brain का सबसे largest part क्या है? Cerebrum, cerebellum, ribs and thalamus. And the right option is option number 1. I think, let us check. Yeah, option number 1 is the right one. So that is cerebrum. Next. Pandwani is an Indian folk dance of which Indian state? Kerala, Uttarakhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. So the right option is option number D. Yeah, that is Chhattisgarh. Okay, Pandwani is an Indian folk dance of Chhattisgarh, remember. Athukal Pongala is a festival celebrated in which Indian states? Punjab, Manipur, Kerala and Gujarat. I hope it is Kerala. Let us just check. Yeah, it's celebrated in Kerala, and Pongal is celebrated in, I think, Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now next one we have, who is the author of the book Your Best Days Today? Who has written the book called Your Best Day is Today? Anupam Kher, Kiran Bedi, Sachin Tendulkar and Anita Desai. And the right option is the book written, what is the book name? Your Best Days Today is written by, I think, yeah, Anupam Kher. The option A is the right answer. So these are the some important questions today we had, and we will see tomorrow some more important GK questions. So tomorrow I will be getting for you some more GK quiz like this, okay, so that we can have a good practice and we will be in good hand for our exams. So wish you all the best for your studies, and we'll meet on the next day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a good day. Take care.